The Concrete Convention and Exposition will be held in Milwaukee, Wisconsin on April 17th through 21st of 2016. The convention will be held at the Hyatt Regency and Wisconsin Center. This presentation will cover the basics of the Concrete Convention and Exposition. Specifically, you will learn about the convention host, best ways to navigate the convention, the different convention resources available to you, different ways to stay connected, an overview of committee meetings and sessions, the different convention events you may want to attend, everything included in the exhibit area, and where to go when you have questions. The convention host is the Wisconsin chapter of ACI. They have done a fantastic job helping to prepare for this convention, led by co-chairs Jeff Anderson and Laura Powers. The convention host assists with programming content for select sessions, lunches, and special events. Additionally, they serve as ambassadors for the destination city. All convention events will take place at either the Hyatt Regency or the Convention Center. All meeting rooms will either have the letter H for Hyatt or C for Convention Center. A complete listing of all meeting room names can be found in the convention app and the convention program book. You will receive a convention program book when you pick up your registration materials. There are 5 sections to the convention program book. The areas you'll probably spend the most time looking at are the venue floor plans, daily program, numerical committee meeting schedule, and sessions and events. The venue floor plan will be used to get around the Hyatt and Wisconsin Center. The daily program will be used to see what is happening each day. This section is in date and time order and includes sessions and special events. The numerical committee meeting schedule lists out all committee meetings in numeric order. The sessions and events section includes all sessions with their presentations. There are also special events included in this section. The ACI program book is available online in EPUB and PDF versions. Visit www.aciconvention.org to download your copy. The ACI Convention website will be another useful tool for you during the convention. There is a feature on aciconvention.org called My Schedule. This tool allows attendees to set up their own personalized schedule for the convention. You can add sessions, meetings, and events to your schedule to help keep yourself organized throughout the week. If you haven't already downloaded the ACI Convention mobile app, you should do that now. The mobile app is a great resource. It includes all the same information as the program book and more. Any schedule changes will automatically be posted in the app. You can also create a schedule directly in the app. Search ACI Convention on your Apple or Android device. You can stay connected and updated in a variety of ways. ACI is on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Don't forget to use hashtag ACI Convention when posting on these social media platforms. ACI holds numerous technical, educational, and certification committee meetings throughout the week. All of the committee meetings listed in the convention program book, mobile app, and on the ACI website are open for all attendees. Closed committee meetings may only be attended by members of the committee and are not open to all ACI attendees. For committees that you attend and are not a member of, you are welcome to sit at the seats on the perimeter of the room. Typically, the chairs at the table are reserved for members of the committee. There are over 300 committee meetings during the ACI convention. Committees are organized by the area of interest and have been given a code. The technical committees are numbered by area. 100-level committees are general topics. 200-level committees are on materials and properties. 300-level committees are on design and construction. 400-level committees are on concrete reinforcement and structural analysis. 500-level committees are on specialized application and repair. Committees starting with a C are certification committees. Committees starting with an E are educational committees. And committees starting with an S are student and young professional committees. During the meeting, the chair or secretary will circulate a committee meeting sign-in sheet. Be sure to sign in, and if you're interested in getting more involved with that committee, ask the chair for a committee application. You may also join a committee by visiting the ACI website under the Committees tab. During this convention, ACI will hold over 40 sessions. There will be 4 sessions held simultaneously at any given time. The presentations, speakers, and details about each session are located in the convention app and in the session and events section of the program book. Each session is 2 hours in length. All sessions will be held at the Wisconsin Center. Handouts for presentations are posted at aciconvention.org after the session is complete, but only if the speaker has given ACI authorization to do so. If you don't see a copy of the presentation on the website, be sure to ask the speaker if they will be posting it. Sessions will each have at least 4 learning objectives displayed on a slide similar to this at the beginning of the session. If the session has been approved by AIA, the respective logo will be shown on this slide as well. Many of the ACI sessions have been approved by the American Institute of Architects for learning units. This is indicated in the convention program book and the convention app at the end of each session. Attendees may earn 2 PDH credits for most sessions unless otherwise indicated. For CEU PDH credit, record the 3 codes given out during the session. PDH credits may not be earned for partial session attendance, and attendees may not split their attendance among multiple sessions. There will be 3 codes per session shown at random times during the session. Attendees may record the codes using the spaces provided in the program book next to the session details. Here is an example of a code that will be shown during the session. One of the goals of the ACI convention is to offer networking opportunities for attendees. In Milwaukee, there are various formal and informal opportunities to network with one another. First-time convention attendees are invited to attend the Convention Orientation Breakfast on Sunday, April 17th from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. in H Regency B. During this time, first-time attendees will receive information about the week ahead, have the opportunity to meet other convention attendees, and learn about what an ACI convention has to offer. Convention mentors will also attend this breakfast to help guide the new attendees on a path that will help them to have a successful convention experience. If you see someone with a green ribbon, please take time to make them feel welcome at the convention. The ACI International Forum provides an opportunity for convention attendees to meet and learn from ACI international partners, ACI chapter representatives, and ACI leadership about worldwide events, activities, initiatives, and common themes of interest to the concrete materials, design, and construction industry. This event will take place on Sunday, April 17th from 10 a.m. till 11 a.m. in C202B. The International Lunch will take place on Sunday, April 17th from 11:30 a.m. until 1:30 p.m. in H Regency B. Zongjin Lee will give a presentation titled Sustainable Developments of Concrete Technology in China. Separate registration and payment of $30 is required for this event. The opening session will officially kick off the convention on Sunday, April 17th from 5:45 p.m. to 7 p.m. in C Ballroom C. ACI President Sharon Wood will address the group and welcome attendees to the convention. Additionally, several individuals and groups will be recognized for their contributions to the industry. Following the opening session, the opening reception will take place in C Ballroom A, B, and Foyer from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Here, attendees will have the opportunity to meet colleagues and friends for a beverage from the cash bar and light refreshments in the exhibit area. This is a great opportunity for attendees to expand their network and learn more about the products and services offered by the exhibitors. On Sunday from 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m., all convention attendees are invited to the Student and Young Professional Networking event at Bistro Bar in the Hyatt Regency lobby. There they can meet fellow students and young professionals while networking with ACI members in a fun and casual environment. Attendees to the event will be entered into a drawing for door prizes. In addition, food and beverages will be available for purchase. The student lunch, sponsored by Baker Concrete Construction Company, will take place on Monday, April 18th from 11:30 a.m. until 1:30 p.m. in C Ballroom C. Lawrence Novak of Portland Cement Association will give a presentation titled Top 10 Useful Lessons for Structural Engineers. Following the lecture, the results of the student competition will be announced. Separate registration and payment of $45 is required for this lunch. A very limited number of tickets are available on site for purchase. On Monday, the Women in ACI reception will be held in H Regency A. All registered convention attendees are invited to attend this reception. This long-standing ACI tradition is a great opportunity to get to know other women in the concrete industry. Attendees of this reception will also have the opportunity to participate in a silent auction. A cash bar and light hors d'oeuvres will be served. On Monday, April 18th, ACI members and staff will take to the ice to participate in what is becoming an ACI tradition, the Richard D. STEHLY Memorial Hockey Game. All convention attendees are invited to come enjoy the fun. Transportation will be provided for those who pre-registered for this event, however limited seats are available. Attendees may also arrange for their own transportation. Directions will be available at registration. Although there is no charge for the event, donations to the Richard D. STEHLY Memorial Fellowship will be accepted. Transportation will depart from the Hyatt at 6 p.m. Transportation is sold out at this time. The Contractors' Day lunch will be on Tuesday from 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. in H Regency D. Speaker Dr. Mark Federley will give a presentation titled Developing a Successful Strategy to Mitigate and Manage Risk on a Project. Separate registration and payment of $46 is required to attend this event. Faculty members and students are invited to attend the Faculty Network reception on Tuesday, April 19th from 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. in the atrium of the Hyatt. During this time, they will have an opportunity to exchange ideas and network. Light hors d'oeuvres and a cash bar will be available. On Tuesday from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. before the concrete mixer, first-time attendees, their mentors, and any other attendees looking to reach out to our newer attendees can gather in Bistro Bar located in the lobby of the Hyatt Regency for the pre-mixer gathering. This is another great opportunity to acquaint Convention No. 1 attendees to the ACI Convention. On Tuesday, April 19th from 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m., join ACI Convention attendees for the concrete mixer in C Exhibit Hall B for a special evening of food, drinks, and great company. Drink tickets for the concrete mixer may be found in your name badge holder. Please note that cash is required once you have used your drink tickets. Over 40 different companies are represented as exhibitors during this convention. A complete listing of exhibitors is available in the program book and convention app, including company descriptions, booth numbers, and the floor plan. The ACI Convention website also lists the current exhibitors with links to their websites and the most up-to-date exhibit floor plan. The exhibits will be available in C Ballroom A, B, and Foyer and open Sunday through Tuesday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. There will be plenty to do in the exhibit area aside from visiting exhibit booths. There will be coffee breaks Sunday through Wednesday from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., as well as soda breaks on Saturday from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m., and Sunday through Tuesday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Breakfast and lunch concessions will be available in the exhibit hall from 8 a.m. until 2 p.m. on Sunday and Monday. The exhibit area will also feature the ACI Resource Pavilion that will have lounge furniture, a charging station, all of the cyber stations with printers, and the ACI meeting spot. The pavilion will also feature the ACI Continuing Education booth and the ACI Foundation booth. The Career Center will be located in the Resource Pavilion, promoting the available job postings on ACI Online Job Shop. Demos will be held in the exhibit area on Monday and Tuesday. Check out the convention app for an updated demo schedule. Exhibitors at the convention have the opportunity to give a demonstration of their products during designated demonstration hours. Demonstrations are scheduled on Monday and Tuesday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Updates will be posted to the convention app as well as the convention website. The ACI Bookstore will be located in C Ballroom Foyer. It will be open on Saturday from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m., Sunday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., Monday and Tuesday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Wednesday from 8 a.m. to noon. Attendees can receive 10% off of publications during the convention. The Student FRC Bowling Ball Competition will be held on Sunday, April 17th from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the exhibit area. Check-in for the competition begins at 9 a.m. If you have some free time, stop by the exhibit area to cheer on the students during this exciting competition. The winners from the competition will be announced during the student lunch on Monday. If you have any questions throughout the convention, you have several resources available. The registration staff is located in C Ballroom A, B, and Foyer on the first floor of the Wisconsin Center. Any staff person with an orange staff badge can help with any questions you have. The chapter desk is located just outside of the exhibit hall, and they should be able to help with questions as well. As a reminder, any changes to the program will be posted to the convention app and the daily PowerPoint in the exhibit hall. In the event of an emergency, please find the nearest house phone. If you're at the Wisconsin Center, please dial 41 to contact security. If you're at the Hyatt Regency, please dial 56 to contact security. Please also alert a member of ACI staff that there is an emergency. Should an emergency occur, please stay calm and follow direction from ACI staff and venue security. And of course, the ACI website at aciconvention.org is available for your reference. We look forward to seeing you in Milwaukee. Have a great convention.